This is my 1988 open bow speedboat, I guess, with a 150 Mercury, oil injected. It's my project, my first time ever attempting anything like this. Right now, I'm going to try and take out the gas tank. Holy shit, that's a mess. All right. I can't believe I just cut a hole in my floor of my boat. Oh, God. What did I do? Okay. I marked it there. I determined this gas tank is 48 inches long.
Wow. So how do you fix that then?
Wow, look how. Yeah, it's just plywood, but then there's like a thin sheeting of fiberglass. I have no idea how to do that. Look, they put foam here.
Because you're stepping on houses.
Yeah. But see the foam. Look how wet it all is. This really shouldn't be wet.
Well, before you.
Again, this is my first time ever attempting anything like this. So I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just watching a bunch of YouTube videos, just using some common sense. Is that a nail? Nah, that's a piece of wood. No, it's a fucking nail. What the hell's that doing in there? Jesus Christ. So anyhow, I mean, I do have background in carpentry and common sense. And electrical work and not too much on motors, but I'll learn. But it took balls to cut a fucking hole in your goddamn boat, that's for sure. Actually, the gas tank from right now, it doesn't look all that bad. I think. I mean, I don't know. I'll pull it. That's a big tank. How many gallons do you think that is? I have no idea. I have no clue on how many gallons this might be. Well, I gotta try and get it out of there. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Anybody have any ideas? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I got it the fuck out of there. That's crazy. Boom! 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 35 gallons. Can you see that? Let's see. The 35 gallons, 1988. 2188. serial number. How about that? I am optimistic that I will be using this tank and fixing that hole. Now, I just went for it. I said, you know, I just marked it out, and I just went for it. And you know what? I think I did a pretty damn good job. When I bought the boat, they weren't using this gas tank, of course. This oil injector system was disconnected, I'm assuming, and we were just mixing gas in, you know, the reserve tanks, and that's what we used, you know, the ending part of last year after I bought it, and it ran for a few months perfectly. It's good. Then the winter came, and I had to winterize it. So this is my project right now. Anyhow, if anybody knows anything about this fuel injection and what I need to do to get it rehooked up, please shoot me an email. I'll leave that information. I don't know how, maybe at the end of the video. So it's a 150 mercury fuel, oil injected, what's it say? Black Max. Okay, so stay with me. I'll post videos as I go along with this progress, okay? But right now I'm gonna wash down that gas tank. Wash down that gas tank there. And again, I watch YouTube videos, so I know how to, I mean, I don't know how. I've seen videos on how to clean out the inside of a gas tank. So I'm going to probably give that a shot over the weekend, and hopefully get this floor back together again, and figure out how to do some fiberglass work, which is going to be new to me also. I've never done fiberglass work. Thank you. Thank you. Why am I thanking you? Goodbye. I'll turn the fucking thing on. Go ahead.